Today, as I was driving my car, not my minivan, but my other car that I use for work, it's a 94 Corolla. It stalled on the highway, and then I had to call, because I was with my client and she has autism, and you know, when they can't get their way, they start to, like, you know, bang their heads or, you know, stuff like that. So she got a little bit uneasy, but I managed to calm her down, and so her mom came to pick us up, and I got a tow truck. The problem with the car is that the timing belt failed. The same thing happened with my previous car, my Mitsubishi. But I mean, it's an old car, so what are you gonna do? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try to buy another car. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna buy there's a 2008 Civic. It's about $1,000. Who knew? I think I'm gonna get that car before anyone else buys it, and it's a nice car. I'm gonna use that car for work, and I will keep you guys posted. But yeah, that's what happened today, man. What are you gonna do? In the meantime, I feel a little better today, because I'm trying my best to eat right, and honey, it's 60 calories from fat 0, total fat 0, saturated fat 0, trans fat 0, polyunsaturated fat 0, mono unsaturated fat is 0, cholesterol is 0, sodium is 0, potassium is 10 milligram. That's cool. Carbohydrates 17 grams, sugars 16 grams, protein is 0, but it's so yummy. I feel better. Yesterday was like, and today I kind of, like this morning, I still felt a little like my face was gonna go like almost like that. So that's clear signs of like someone getting a stroke. But I'm so determined to eat these guys. I'll keep you guys up to date with my car situation. So I really want that Civic. If I don't get it, I'm gonna buy something else. It's gonna set me back a little bit financially, not too much, but I know I'll manage to you know, stay on top of things. As long as I don't live in an apartment, things will be good. Right? Thanks, guys. Bye.